Good morning, students. We are going to take a question which is based on calculation of interest on capital which has been wrongly credited for 2 years. Okay. Now, question is K, M and G are partners with fixed capital 2 lakhs, 1 lakh 60,000, 1 lakh 20,000 respectively. IOC was wrongly allowed at the rate of 6% per annum, though there was no provision. Okay. Now PSR shared in last 2 years was in the ratio 3:2:1 in the year 17-18 and 5:3:2 in the year 18-19. What you are supposed to do? You are required to give necessary adjusting entry on 1st 4/19. Okay, we all know that adjustment entry is made on the beginning of the next accounting year. So from here itself you can say that first accounting year is ending on 31st March 18 and second accounting year is ending on 31st March 19. Okay. Now let us, in order to find the necessary adjusting entry, we need to do some calculation. What is our calculation? Number 1 working note is about calculation of IOC. First we are going to calculate IOC of year 2017-18. Okay, K's current account was wrongly credited by IOC. So 2 lakh 6%, 12,000. M 1 lakh 60,000 6%, 99,600. G 1 lakh 20,000 6%, 7,200. Total IOC which the firm had given was 28,800 for 17-18 and same 18-19 also 28,800. So this was wrongly given. Now second we are going to prepare adjustment showing next we are going to prepare a statement showing the required adjustment. Okay, now see, we have to debit the IOC which was wrongly credited for both year. 12,000, 12,000, 9,600, 9,600, 7,200, 7,200, 28,800, 28,800. So the firm has given 24,000, so it will debit K by 24,000, 19,200 from M and 14,400 from G. Total will be 57,600. Okay. Now when the firm is going to take 57,600, then it will be given back to the partners in form of profit. So what was the PSR? 3:2:1, 5:3:2. So 14,400 for 17-18, 14,400 for 18-19. Similarly 9,600 for 17-18 M will get, and 8,614 for 18-19. Okay, and then 4,800 17-18 and 5,760 for 18-19. 28,800 will be debited to firm's account, 28,800 will be debited to firm's account. The ratio in 18-19 is 5:3:2 and 17-18 is 3:2:1. So out of 28,800, 3/6 will go to K, 2/6 will go to M and 1/6 will go to G. And in year 18-19, 5/10 will go to K, 3/10 will go to M and 2/10 will go to G, 5,760. Okay. So now we have to see the calculation. Net effect we are going to see. See, debit 24,000 and credit 28,800. So credit is bigger. So I wrote credit here. The difference is 4,800. In this, debit is 19,200 and credit is 18,240. So debit is more. The difference is 960. Here debit, credit, credit. Debit is 14,400 and credit is 10,516. So debit is more by 3,840. Okay. Form will have no same. Now what will be the adjusted entry? Whose name you have written for debit, those accounts will be debited. M and G will be debited 960,3840 and K will be credited by 4,800. So and since the accounts are maintained as fixed method, so M's current account will be debited, G's current account will be debited and K's current account will be credited by 4,800. Narration will be being adjustment entry for interest on capital for both the years 17-18 and 18-19. So I hope it is clear. So we did, first we calculated IOC for 17-18 and 18-19 which was wrongly provided. Then we prepared a statement, we debited which was given and we credited which has to be given. Credit is whatever the firm will take, that the firm will give in form of profit, and then the net effect through an adjustment entry. I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you.